Hello students, today we are going to discuss some question and answers what we have learned in last class, that is subtraction of like fractions and subtraction of mixed fractions. So related to that, those topics, today we are going to discuss some question and answers from exercise 3F. Turn your book page number 51. Question number 1 from exercise 3F is subtract the following like fractions. So like fractions, we know like fractions are those fractions which have same denominator. So in this question, which questions are given? All are like fractions. So we know how to subtract like fractions. For simple like fractions, we just find out the difference is equal to difference of numerators by common denominator. So according to this formula, you have to solve all the questions. Okay. So the first question, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, these two are like fractions because these two have same denominator. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to difference of numerator, that is 3 minus 1 divided by common denominator, that is 4, is equal to 2 by 4. So the difference becomes 2 by 4. In this way you solve bit B and bit C. Okay. Bit D. Here 3 fractions are given. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 6. All are like fractions because all have same denominators. So how we will do? So difference of, so you just write 5 minus 1 minus 2 by common denominator, that is 6. Here we can see before 5 there is no any symbol, there is no any sign, plus or minus sign, but before 1 and 2 there is minus sign. Minus, that means, so what we will do? First you add the numbers which have same sign, that is 1 and 2, that is 3. So it becomes 5 minus 3 by 6, that is 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2 by 6. Okay students. Next one, bit E, that is 7 by 11 minus 2 by 11 minus 1 by 11. In this, what I have said, first you add the numbers with same sign. Here we can see before 2 by 11 there is minus sign, and 1 by 11 also minus sign. So first you add, just written what is in form, that is 7 minus 2 minus 1 by 11. Then you add these two numbers because these two number has minus sign before that number. So it becomes 2 and 1, that is 3. So 7 minus 3, because in both this number there is negative sign, that means minus sign. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 11, that is equal to 4 by 11. Okay. In this way, so the answers become 4 by 11. Similarly, you solve this one also. Here what we will write? 9 minus 2 minus 4 divided by 18. 9 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 6 by 18 is equal to 3 by 18. One thing I have forgot, that 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 we can divide both the numerator as well as to the denominator by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. This is equivalent to 1 by 2. So for 2 by 4 also you can write 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, for this one also, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8, that is equal to 2 by 8. 2 by 8 we can divide both the numerator as well as to the denominator by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So it becomes 1 by 4 also we can write. Okay. So we can simplify and we can fractions in simplest form we have learned. No, we can apply in this case also. Okay. So subtract the following like fractions is difference of numerators by common denominator. If that is the numerator as well as to the denominator, you can divide by any number. Then you divide and form fractions in simplest form. And next type of like fractions, subtract the following like fractions is, if there is given 3 fractions, then first in the numerator, first you add the number with same sign. Here minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So 5 minus 3 by 6. In this way you solve it and find out the fractions. On the next class we will discuss about the mixed fractions, subtract the mixed fractions. Okay students, so you just do it properly and specially focus on it. This is a different type, but you can easily capture it because it's just in extent form. Some extra is given, but it's easier for you also. Just you practice it. Okay students, so in the next class again we will discuss subtract the mixed fractions, question number 2 from exercise 3F. Today you just solve question number 1. Thank you students.